Hello everyone. In this video, I will teach you about oxalic acid. Its main points like group, subgroup and class, fatal dose, fatal period, active principle, main sign and symptoms, medical legal importance, and finally the treatment. Now, the first thing is that oxalic acid belongs to corrosive poisons. Further, if we see the classification of corrosive poisons, we see that there is no further classification of the corrosive poisons. There are simple acids and strong acids and strong alkalis. So it has only its group, that is corrosive group. Fatal dose is 15 to 20 gram. Fatal period is 1 to 2 hours. There are two fatal doses of oxalic acid. One is 15 to 20 gram, and the smallest fatal dose is 5 gram. If a child has taken 5 gram of oxalic acid, it will be very poisonous for him. But if an adult has taken 5 gram of oxalic acid, he may survive. But if he has taken 15 to 20 gram of oxalic acid, death is certain. Its active principle includes its own constituents, means that the each and every single constituent of the oxalic acid is very toxic and will be responsible for the damage of each and every organ of the body, and finally leading to the death of the patient. The main sign and symptoms which occur after intake of oxalic acid includes sore taste in the mouth, burning in throat and stomach, vomiting of bloody mucus. Now there is blood in vomiting. Uh, the medical officer can easily see the blood in the vomit, and there is albuminuria, means that there is loss of albumin in the urine, and oxyuria. There is great prostrations. The patient may suffer from a condition of shock. There is muscle cramps. Any muscle of the body may contract at different rates and different degree. Then there is convulsion, and finally there is coma, and then if not treated, then the person will die. The main organs which are affected by oxalic acid are the kidneys and the central nervous system. In kidneys, there is basically accumulation of oxalic acid crystals. This condition is known as oxyuria. When these crystals are excreted in the urine, this is known as oxyuria. And neurotoxic, it is neurotoxic in a sense that it will damage the peripheral nerves, it will act on the central nervous system, it will results and this will results in the unconsciousness of the patient. Its medical legal points are that it is mainly accidental in nature, but it may also be suicidal in nature. It is used mainly in industries to erase ink writing for forgery. Mm, its treatment include stomach wash or the gastric lavage with lime water. The point which you have to remember is that its gastric lavage is done with the lime water, and one most important thing is that we should not use warm water in this case. Never ever use warm water. Give chalk to the patient so that the absorption may be retarded, and also calcinide magnesia, which is responsible for the decreased absorption of the oxalic acid from the stomach. Also give 10 milliliter 10% calcium gluconate in the IV form. For this purpose, we have to give eye sucking, and we can also give oxygen therapy uh, to replenish the oxygen demand of different parts of the body. These are some important points which you must have to remember for your OSPE and whole exam. Now, if you have any question, simply comment it down. I will respond you as soon as possible. Thank you.